Welcome back to Wolf Phone Repairs. Let's fix this iPhone 12 Backglass. Let's get it on the laser to loosen up the glue. And now let's remove the Backglass, being careful of all the flex cables and everything underneath that you don't want to damage. Otherwise, you're going to have to start replacing things. We don't want to do that. Once all the glass is removed, now we can work on removing all the excess glue and stuff to clean up the frame to get it prepped for the new glass. And let's replace the MagSafe system so that all the magnetic accessories will still work properly. Now we'll put the Backglass adhesive onto the frame and set the Backglass into the clamp. Because of the camera glass, it won't go all the way into the clamp flat, so I just clamp the end of the phone that sticks out of the clamp. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please like and follow.